Hey there, so you're thinking of buying a home and don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Daniel Stewart with Red Rock Real Estate. Buying a home is likely to be one of the biggest investments of your life. You need a seasoned professional to guide you through each step. And I've been in the industry for over a decade and I've helped hundreds of buyers make the big move. Let me walk you through the process. When you work with me, first, we make sure you're fully qualified. We'll cover what type of loans you can get and the full monthly payment, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, so you know exactly what to expect financially. Once you're qualified, we'll start house hunting. I'll make sure you know everything about each neighborhood, the schools, and any factors that could affect your home's value in the future. When it's time to make an offer, I'll help you negotiate in a way that works for both you and the seller. And once the offer is accepted, we open escrow, get your deposit in, and start scheduling inspections and appraisals. I'll keep track of every deadline so your deposit stays protected and you're never at risk. After the inspection, I'll also guide you on what standard to ask from the seller so you get the best deal possible. Throughout the transaction, I'll be in constant communication with everyone involved to ensure your best interests are covered and we're ready to close on time. Of course, there are many more details I could go into, but we'd be here for hours. So give me a call. I'll be your trusted advisor guiding you step by step to make the right decision, all the way to handing you the keys to your new home. I'm Daniel Stewart with Red Rock Real Estate, your rock-solid agent ready to do the heavy lifting so you can focus on finding your dream home. Call me today and let's make it happen.